Hello, good evening, everyone. Well, this is PA MENSAH, and today's class is about obstetrics and gynecology. So, usually you hear them in short, obs and gyne, and you get confused. Sometimes you're like, what are these people trying to say? As a health student, as a health personnel, that is that. Gyne and obstetrics are usually put in short just to make your statements fast and simple. So obs and gyne. So obs simply means obstetrics, obstetrics, and it involves the study of female activities like pregnancy, pregnancy, labor or delivery, and the afterlife of a child and a mother after pregnancy. All right. So that is basically what obstetrics is about. Now, on the other hand, is gyne or gyne. So gyne is referring to gynecology, which is the study involving the well-being of the reproductive system of a female. All right, the well-being, the general well-being is a study of the general well-being of the reproductive system of a female. That is gynecology. All right, so you could see on my right here, you could have certain images that are displaying on a screen. On my right, they're actually showing the various stages through which pregnancy could be through to delivery. So we have the first trimester, second trimester, and the third trimester, and then delivery. So you see that that is pointing to pregnancy. So obstetrics on my right. You could also see that a newly born baby which is held firmly in the hand by the mother, that is also pointing to pregnancy, labor, and delivery. So obstetrics. All right, on my right, look at it, you see it clearly. All right, with other images that are pointing to delivery. So you can see the various stages of delivery or mechanism of delivery, where you have the engagement, the descent, internal, how do they even say it, flexion, then internal rotation, right, extension, then external rotation, restitution, and then expulsion. You could see all that, the mechanism of delivery. Look at the image where the child is being given birth to. All right, so we see that all these are pointing, the images on my right are actually pointing to pregnancy and labor and the afterlife of the child and the mother, right, with the baby which is being held by the mother. That's the afterlife of delivery. All right, good. So on my far left here, you could see images displaying sexually transmitted infections and as well as pelvic inflammatory diseases, fibroid, oleomyoma, all gynecological conditions, all conditions that are related to the female reproductive system. You could see that these are images that are displaying this. So my left, you could see gynecological images. All right, so these images are to aid us to remember. Whenever that we see images pointing towards pregnancy, we know that it is obstetrics. Whenever that we see images pointing towards, reproductive conditions, we know that we are talking about what gynecology. All right. So without spending much time, I'd like to talk about these basic stuffs that are actually meaning a lot. They mean a lot when it comes to the well-being of humans, as well as or as far as procreation is concerned. So I'd like to talk about fertility and infertility, right, in our next video. So like this video, comment, and share. All right, your response would actually give us the enthusiasm to post part 2 on fertility and infertility. Bye bye.